What if you let go of your fear? What if it led you to start creating your own project? What if you went ahead and built your first prototype? And met your first customer? Or simply moved forward and learned something new? Being one step ahead always comes in handy, doesn't it? It's tough, we know. So, what if you just stopped wondering what if and simply came to a place buzzing with the energy of like-minded people? A place where you'll find partners for your business and always have a helping hand. You don't have to do it alone. We're in this with you. Sit port.